Your Excellency, Mr. Rusli Nugraha, SSMM, as an English lecturer at Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself first. Hello guys, my name is Vega Jonata Depi with name 6, 3, 2, 4, 0, 4, 2, and 4.
Good morning, can I help you?
I'd like to make a complaint about a gadget that I bought that last week.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Okay, can you explain why this gadget doesn't work well?
It seems that this gadget doesn't have good quality. For example, the Bluetooth connection is worse than its claim.
It is strange, perhaps there's something wrong with the connection. Could I take a look?
Sure, here it is.
Could I ask a few questions?
Yes, of course.
How were you using the gadget when you tried to connect to the Bluetooth speaker?
What kind of question is that?
I understand your upset, miss. I'm just trying to understand the problem. I'm afraid it's not our policy to replace gadget because of this.
I just connected it to the Bluetooth speaker according to instruction. I have two Bluetooth speakers and all of them cannot connect to this gadget.
Usually, the Bluetooth can connect because the gadget connect to another device. For this case, you have the Bluetooth speaker. Maybe but of Bluetooth in your speaker Bluetooth is on. So, in the gadget can detect it. To overcome this, you can turn off the speaker and turn it on again. Before then, you must make sure there is only one Bluetooth is on.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Guys, have you ever finished walking somewhere and accidentally told your friend? Without realizing it, the story takes you back to the moment or atmosphere of that place. Well, in English, we can use tense to describe activities that have started in the past, but those effects are still felt today, and yet the tense is called present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Do you know what the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is used to show an action that happened in the past but directly related to the present. Or present perfect tense can also be used to describe events that happiness at a certain time in the past, but the effect can still be felt today. For the example is, I have seen this movie 6 times. What is different between simple past and present perfect. The two are indeed similar, but you can pay attention to the time period when they occurred. The simple past tense is used to explain even in the past and indeed in the past too. So it has nothing to do with the present. Meanwhile, present perfect tense, even though the incident happened in the past, still has something to do with the present. We ask present perfect tense to show an event that has occurred at an unspecified time. So time information such as yesterday, 1 year ago, last week, and other are not needed in this tense. Present perfect tense formula and sentence patterns. Present perfect tense is divided into verbal sentence, and nominal sentence. For E, verbal sentence present perfect tense. In verbal, after the subject will be followed a verb, so we use the past participle from article verb. For present perfect tense, apart from that, the present perfect tense is also formed with the auxiliary verb have or has. Has is used for singular subject or third person pronoun such as she, he, it, and singular nouns such as mentioning people names, for example, Fahmi and Sasa. Have is used for the subject I, you, and other plural subject such as plural pronouns we, they, plural nouns girls and women, and compound subject with the conjunction and you and I, Sinta and Rangga. Present perfect tense formula for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence with example. Number 1. Positive sentence for the present perfect tense. For the formula, subject plus have or has plus past participle verb be. For the example, she has worked in the hospital for 6 years. And for the example number 2 is I have fixed my computer. Number 2, negative sentence present perfect tense. For the formula is subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle verb be. For the example is she has worked in the hospital. I have not fixed my computer. Number 3, interrogative present perfect tense. For the formula is have or has plus subject plus past participle verb 3. For the example is has she worked in the hospital for 6 years? Have you fixed my computer? For point B, nominal sentence present perfect tense. Meanwhile, nominal sentences are sentences that do not contain verb, such as nouns, adjective, and adverb. Just like verbal sentence for subject, I, you, and other plural subject, we ask have. Meanwhile, for singular subject and singular nouns, we ask has. Present perfect tense formula for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence with example. Number 1, positive sentence pattern present perfect tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus object. For example sentence, Bintang has been recovered from illness. We have been back from office. For number 2, present perfect tense negative sentence. Subject plus has or have plus
plus not, plus been, and plus object. For example is, Bintang has not recovered from illness. We have not been back from the office. Number 3, interrogative present perfect tense. Has or have plus subject plus been plus object. For the example, has Bintang been recovered from illness? Have you back from the office? Question word in present perfect tense. What, where, when, why, how. Plus have or has plus subject and plus past participle verb 3 and object. Example, how long have you studied English? For the question word who, the present perfect tense formula is who plus have or has plus past participle plus object. For the example, who has studied English for a year? Present perfect tense in passive form. Have or has plus verb 3. For example, for active form, my brother has written the proposal. Passive form, the proposal had been written by my brother. Time information in present perfect tense. Even though in the present perfect tense we explain something whose time is not specific, there are other time descriptions that are usually used in this tense as complements, including already, just, recently, lately, since, ever, never, yet, and for. Usage of present perfect tense is show an experience, show a change, show achievement, indicate an event that has not yet been completed, and number 5 is show several events at different times. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.